Franchisees, are you aware that you may have elected to cancel your insurance policy if you refuse to respond to a renewal request by your broker, effectively self-insuring any potential lawsuit or claim? Hi, my name is Wade Millward, founder and CEO of Rikor, a firm dedicated to helping the franchise industry protect itself from reputational harm and unintentional exposure. We've consulted over 200 franchise brands. So here's an interesting statistic for you guys. Roughly 2% of our cancellations are simply due to non-responsive franchisees. You are now effectively personally financing all of that risk and foregoing any type of insurance products simply because you refuse to respond to emails. These are very simple requests, but I do need to stress the importance of these. And franchisors should be aware that if a franchisee chooses not to respond, then they're foregoing insurance and now the franchise is exposed. And so I'm going to go over a 5-step plan or tips for franchisees to avoid self-insuring and exposing not only themselves, but also the entire franchise brand. Number one is understand your policy type. The two different types are agency bill versus direct bill. An agency bill policy, 99% of the time, is going to require a manual effort on behalf of the customer. The next one is learn what's required of you or not at renewal. Ask your broker, hey, what specifically do you need from me when the renewal comes up? You can do this 90 days in advance. Most likely they're going to send you an email anyway with all the information. But if you're working with them in advance, it's great to be prepared. Sometimes you will have to provide financials. With regard to financials, stay on top of them. Reconcile them monthly. This is great for you as a business owner to have a pulse on your business, to understand exactly where you're at. Number three, just promptly, please promptly respond to requests from your account manager, account executive, broker. I don't care who you're working with. Please do them the favor of responding quickly, within a week. The next one, do not wait until the last minute to complete your renewal application. The reason this is so important is that if you want your policy marketed out, guess what? You've effectively chosen not to. If you do this too late, it takes at least a week for the current insurance company to get your renewal quote back. Okay. You need to allow the broker enough time. This is not Amazon. I am very sorry. It's not same day shipping. The next one, the last one, don't wait until the last minute to sign and pay the down payment. We are in a very old industry. We still rely on ACHs. ACHs still take like 5 days to process. If you have an agency bill policy, the insurance agency you are working with is actually liable for your down payment once that policy is bound. So be aware of that. Just get out ahead of this thing. Have an open, honest, direct conversation with your broker. It's best to work with them. If you're completely dissatisfied and you're so frustrated, you have so much pain because of the lack of service and you're losing out on jobs, call us. We'll help you guys out. Thanks so much.